Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, 3-zone climate control, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.